I'm just gonna try to give you a quick explanation of what I'm trying to do here. So in a previous video that I did recently, and you can see here on the top right corner, I did a kind of popular experiment where you boil water and then throw it up in the air when there are extremely low temperatures and the hot water turns into snow dust. So I was wondering what would happen if I added food coloring to the water. So let's just go do this and see what happens.
Alright, we're recording. On. Where are you gonna do this? Right here? Yeah. Alright. I wanna see how this goes. Wait, that thing didn't color at all. What happened to the food coloring? Is it still in there? I think the food coloring is heavier than the water.
Yeah.
That was awesome. How do you feel about it? This experiment was a dud.
It did work.
It did.
So let's try to do this again, but this time I'm gonna boil the water together with the food coloring. See if it makes any difference.
Take two. Will boiling the food coloring have any effect? Alright, I'm just gonna have some big dirty red blood stain on my driveway. Pablo Escobar, Channel 4 News. Nope.
Fail to.
I'm just gonna try to do this one last time, and this time I'm just going to add as little water as possible, and then I'm just gonna heat it up in the microwave.
Things log. This is our 16th try and George won't stop.
Yeah. Did it work?
Yeah,
No.
it works, but it's just not blue. It's cool.
Told you, wouldn't work, see?
Next time we have to book it. Oh, my God,
Hey buddy, you alright there?
it worked on your base.
It works.
I think the reason why it doesn't color, it might be that the water seems to be turning into steam right before freezing.